How to buy WOOFI token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 6 hours ago and increased by 800% in 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's mean investment in a safe place. This token changer number 3 on Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address. Open your virtual wallet for that. Now click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here, as you can see here, type how much you want to buy. So as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, select provider, for example, Jupiter. And make sure to read all that information here and click on swap. And you will be able to redact to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or custom it, because the most features came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy a WOOFI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.